Rudy's.
They do?
Yeah.
Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Say hi, Zoe.
Nope.
Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
We're in Grenoble right now. We just ate lunch. That's our waiter. He's really friendly. I won't. Zoe's so afraid of being embarrassed. It's kind of funny.
I think we need to get that. I think we need to get the waiter on the camera. He's a bit of a ham.
He's really funny. Yeah, so we're in Grenoble. We just ate lunch. It was delicious, and it's gone. Oh, hey, look, that was in my salad. Not really sure what that is.
Je n'aime pas maintenant. C'était délicieux.
Non mais je rêve, c'est incroyable. Elle met des fessiers. Des fessiers, genre. Café. Oh, mais oh là là.
Could be on the internet. Tonight, Facebook.
Excusez-moi, elle me filme, hein. On fait un spectacle.